Hi, DJ here from smallbusinessvoipsystem.com, and today I'd like to talk about IP phone service solutions for today's businesses. IP phone service systems are the most efficient way of running business telecommunications in today's business world. It incorporates so many needed features which would represent huge monthly expenditures if used through standard wired telephone systems, but for zero cost for these extras. Things like call waiting, call forwarding, conference calling, and others are things which most, if not all businesses, can do very well at all without. Yet with standard telephone services, these are all charged as extra, which represents huge accumulative monthly expenditures even for small to mid-sized businesses. The way an IP phone service works is over IP, which means Internet Protocol, channels, transmitting and receiving calls as streaming digitized packets of data. This is pretty much the same way an instant messenger or IM program is used online. As with these as well, you can use voice and or video, and with these programs you can communicate worldwide for free from IM to IM. Since it is all done using streaming data, the cost is exceedingly minuscule and merely requires an internet connection of adequate speed. With an IP phone service, it's run along the same lines, so you can have a professional phone system with all of the features as offered with standard wired telephone systems and more, for quite a microscopic expenditure in comparison. Aside from all this, an IP phone service allows for mobility and flexibility, since all that is needed to be in the calling network is an internet connection of sufficient speed. Then you could connect calls within your business's network even using a mobile internet connection, making you able to connect from anywhere on the planet, even while on the move, with no difference in telecommunications spending. The flexibility that can be experienced is phenomenal as well, as any one of your employees with a dual mode cell phone can be out and about on his or her cell phone network and come into the realm of the business's interior Wi-Fi network, with the call then running in the IP phone service while continuing the call with seamless ease. With all that an IP phone service can do for such exceedingly minimal monthly expense, it's obvious why so many businesses have abandoned standard wired telephone systems and their outlandish charging system. Instead of charging next to nothing by the megabyte for transmitting streaming data on an already established internet connection, the standard phone service charged for everything, by the minute and even by the second, and all of the main staple features needed so much by businesses for their communications requirements are all charged on top of it, all as extras. Running business telecommunications in this way just represents far too much monthly expense and can often eat into the ability for a business to grow, thrive, and expand. Once again, my name is DJ, and if you're looking to implement a VoIP system into your small business, I urge you to visit www.smallbusinessvoipsystem.com.